Hello everyone. My name is Dileep. I live in Malleshwaram, and this is the first time I have come here after seeing many videos in YouTube. So I was interested, and I have just come and visited here for the first time. So along with my friends, the nature and place is quite very beautiful, and it's very calm, peaceful, and I had just seen it's everywhere. There is a greenery and sense of peaceness over here. When I just entered this pyramid inside, so we can feel that some calmness here inside it. And when I just went up to this king's chamber, I could feel some vibrations over there, where we need some time to calm down over there and sit and meditate. So definitely, I will make a point that I will come here once again, stay here for few days, and have this great experience. One more thing, and you get food over here, free food for everyone. So morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, and dinner. So whoever wants to come and visit over here can have their food also over here. And this you can see in the website also. You have plenty of transportation where you can come directly from the Majestic. So it will be helpful for outstation devotees. Thank you.